AI has been evolving really fast to the point where it's scary for artists and musicians alike. I just want to show you guys real quick what I do to make my tracks as AI proof as possible. So let's dive into the back end of Back Again. So these red lines here modify the frequency knob on this auto filter module. So here it is without the filter. And here it is with the filter. And here it is in the context of the track. These little details are what I personally call flourishes, because musicians use that term to refer to the little details that add to the overall magic. I'm hoping it's something that AI doesn't copy right away, but who knows? Peace.